Hi, this is RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. Now if you know me, you know I cruise a lot, and I'm always asked, Rob, what do you pack on a cruise that you don't take on a land vacation? So I figured I'd put together a couple of videos. This will be part one on what it is that I bring, what I think is essential when you're on a cruise. First thing is, I learned over the years, taping your luggage tags so they don't fall off your luggage is a problem. That doesn't always work. So what I do is I have these plastic luggage tags. They're sealed. They have a press-on strip, and then you have a wire here that connects to your luggage that you screw on. It's not going to come off. So to me, this is an essential, and it made my life so much easier when I'm cruising. Other thing you need is you're going to need a lanyard. So I bring my own lanyard. So if you book a cruise with me, I will provide 2 luggage tags, or 1 for each person, and a lanyard. Lanyards on a ship could be $19, $20. These things, you have to buy in a package of 10. It could cost you $15, $20. Again, book with me, RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. I give you both of these things for free. What else do I take? I take a lint brush. For some reason or another, I don't know if it's in the luggage, if it's in the air, there's always lint on my suit, on my clothes. Bring a lint brush with me. Because any of these things that I'm going to be showing you, if you have to buy on the ship, you have to hope that they have it and they don't run out. Plus, everything is very expensive. I bring a little package of Band-Aids with me, multiple sizes. They're all in here. It's a nice little Johnson & Johnson package, and I got this at Walmart. Some Febreze. If you've been on a cruise before, the quarters are kind of tight. I bring this for the bathroom. Hate to say it, but it's a must. A little Lysol, same type of thing. Rather be safe than sorry. Bring it because, again, cruise rooms, especially if you get an inside cabin, kind of tight, you need something. You heard of the infamous poopery. Bring that with me as well because of the tight quarters. Wrinkle releaser. So you can hang your clothes up in the shower if you'd like. There's a clothesline in there, and that helps. But I notice when I do that and then I spray it with the wrinkle release, it helps a lot because for some reason everything seems to get wrinkled when it's in the luggage, no matter what I do to try to protect myself. So again, a little bottle like this lasts you the whole cruise. If you're going to go on excursions, little bottle of off for the bugs. It's small, fits in your luggage, and believe me, when you're on those excursions, especially if you're going to go see some Mayan pyramids or out in the jungles or in anywhere where there's going to be bugs, even on the beach sometimes, this is a big plus. Tylenol, big thing. All right. Again, all of these things I'm showing you, you can buy in the shop on the cruise ship. You just got to hope they don't run out, and it is expensive. All of these items I'm showing you, I picked up at either the Dollar Tree or at Walmart. Going to be eating a lot. Tums, a must. Little package of Dramamine. I mean, if you want to be prepared, I would actually take one of the Dramamines before I get on the ship, just in case you're a little worried or you get seasick. If you take it after you're on the ship, it's going to take too long for it to kick in. So what I usually do is I'll take it before I get on the cruise ship, and then I have it just in case I need it along the way. If I get a toothache, I bring my. It's going to be the Walmart version, but basically it's like an Ambisol type of product. It's going to get rid of that tooth pain. There's no dentist on the ship, and everything that's on the ship, if you have to go to the medical area, it's going to be expensive. Little tube like this, believe me, it works. I've had to use it in the past. Speaking of teeth, Yep, don't laugh. I do have a little kit here, just in case I do break a tooth when I'm on the ship. All I need is to do is get by for a week, assuming that it breaks on day one when I'm on the ship. This, with the tooth pain reliever, will get you by for the week. Take an extra toothbrush with me, just in case. Cleaning your hands, a must. I mean, I do have dispensers all around the ship, but having my own little personal one, which everybody carries with them anyway, very, very important today, especially when you're on those excursions. Speaking about those excursions, package of travel wet ones with me. Clean everything down. Also, Clorox Wipes, bring them as well. I know everything is clean on the ship, and I can tell you is, I was just on a cruise ship a couple of months ago. I have never seen the ships as clean as they are today. There's like a cleaning army that's cleaning everything. All the venues are basically all cleaned down before the next group of people come on in. But you know what? You can never be safe enough. Bring the Clorox Wipes with you. Again, travel pack, thin, Walmart, or the dollar store. Tide stick. You can bring a couple of these with you. I find out no matter how careful I am, there's always something that's going to splatter on something that I'm wearing that it gets to be a little aggravating. I mean, I do have laundries on the ship. Again, it's not for free, depending on how many cruises you've been on. The more cruises that you've been on, they do provide laundry service on some ships at no charge. But most of us that haven't been on that many cruises, they need a Tide stick. I would bring 2. If I do cut myself, you know I brought the Band-Aids, I do bring some antibiotic paste with me as well. Might cut myself when I'm out on an excursion, and it fits in your backpack, or it could fit in your bag. Something I didn't bring in the past was a thermometer. I bring it now. Sealed up in the bag. I mean, I could use it. This is what I use for travel. It's quick and easy, and it's inexpensive. So I showed you the Tums, and I have the alternative, Pepto-Bismol. Again, sometimes with the foods that we're eating, if we're not used to eating all of those foods, this is what you're going to be looking for. Again, I bring both of them depending on how I feel. Sometimes it's the Tums, sometimes it's the Pepto. Just in case I'm getting a headache, I do have allergies, I make sure I bring this. And I will say is all of these things that I'm showing you, you can buy on the ship in the store. Just that you got to hope that they don't run out, and you also have to hope that you know, the cost isn't too expensive for you. So my ask from you is, if you like the video, this would be part 1 of my video, or my packing, let's say, what to bring on when you're going on a cruise. Please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It'll really help my channel a lot growing. It helps with the YouTube analytics. And I hope you enjoyed what I have. I hope it gave you some ideas of what to bring with you. And in part 2, I'll be showing you stuff that I put in my backpack. Little things that you could put inside the cabin as well. Little things that I've learned over the years. So this year I have 3 cruises booked for this year already. And last year, unfortunately, I was only able to get in 1 due to the situation, COVID situation. All right, so again, Robert Jordan, RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. Enjoy and take care.